Worst mistake you can do on your first tourist drive, book on the weekend.
It is loud at the Nürburgring. It is unreal, boy. This is absolutely insanity at its finest. Come on. Welcome to the Nürburgring. Oh my god. We got ourselves a BMW M1. How'd you get out of here? Alright, let's get on track. Okay, so we are starting this tourist day today in our BMW 1 Series hatchback. Let's send it. Third gear. Okay, we are off and riding on the Eiffel Mountains in Nürburgring, Nordschleife, nicknamed the Green Hell. The climate is always like constant over here. It's always beautiful, keeping all the keeping all the trees and grass. What just happened? Anyway, let's drive like we know how to drive, yeah? Let's start with a little drift over here. Let's go for it. Alright, I got cold tires, cold brakes. The car's not really on it. We're the pit lane bit of the Nürburgring, which is more or less the beginning. Behind the V6 Mustang, I'm trying to drift this car, but we've got really cold tires and it's struggling. Let's try. Yeah, it's not sliding. We will slide it once we've got some warmer tires. The brakes are absolutely useless so far, being cold. There we go. Now we're warm. Now we're warm. Now we're sliding. Back end out. Come on. Touristenfahrten, tourist drives, baby. I don't want to hit the back of this V8 Mustang, which sounds absolutely beautiful. Listen to this thing as it takes off here. Oh my god, 2JZ. This guy needs to move out the way. Alright, lights on. Maybe. Right, I'm gonna have to do an illegal overtake here and overtake on the right hand side. Being the Nürburgring is supposed to follow German rules where we overtake on the left. But this guy's not really giving me any space on the left. He wants me to overtake on the right. Ah, got space. Let's go. And to gear down and disappear, baby. Anyway, we're rolling in the BMW 135 hatchback version, baby. The tiny little one, not with the one with the boot. We got traffic coming up. First drive in it, and I'm in love with this car. I'm foot to the floor at the moment, and I got full control of this. The ABS kicking in, little drift. It's on, baby. Fiesta, Ford Fiesta on our left. Trying to not come off track here. Foot to the floor, aiming for the apex, staying behind our Volvo, baby. That Volvo's flying, son. Hard on the brakes here as we dip in. Left hand, aiming for the apex, and aim for the apex again, baby. Okay, drift time. Let's go. Y'all ready for this? Worst drift ever, but at least we kept the car from the Amco guardrails. No bill for Amco guardrail today. What is this thing on our left? Jeez. Oh, trying to avoid crashing into him. I'm about to. What? That is the Mercedes E63. Oh my god. Listen to that E63S, boy. Oi, as you know, man, like DMO has cars like this in real life. All I can do is just keep up with it virtually. This is beautiful, man. I would try my best to keep up with him. You know, BMW 1 Series, keeping up with the E63S, boy. I want his tail, boy. I'm on the grass. God! It is loud at the Nürburgring. It is unreal, boy. This is absolutely insanity at its finest. Come on now, quick reactions on certified drivers, boy. Didn't hit a single tourist driver then. Straight through everyone. But I'm now in front of the E63S sideways. Come on, let's get sideways. We need to get sideways. That E63S, I need to drive that car. That thing sounds beautiful. That is one beautiful V8 engine. Oh, what we're behind here, I think we have Maserati, some sort of Maserati tricked out thing with the roll cage and everything. Plus, just throwing this car today, man. First driving it. I need to wait to overtake. I'm trying to follow the rules of the ring, you know, which is overtake on the left only. German rules. Ooh, I locked up the brakes then. I really thought I was going to go into the back of him. I think it's because of this 370Z. The E63 is back, baby. That is insane. That thing is insane. Fiesta guy blocked me. Excuse me, Fiesta guy, I need to get to the E63. Sorry about that. That thing sounds insane. That is the car we are gonna follow today. Fully flat out. I am not coming off the throttle. Fully flat out and then hard on the brakes. Hard on the brakes and off the brakes. Turn in, aiming for the apex. Power, 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 power. Let it drift. Hold the drift. Alright. There's a slight little power slide as we're coming up to the carousel. Carousel number 1. Hard on the brakes. Keeping tight left. I nearly lost the car then. It is very bouncy in the carousel. Ellie on the power out as we exit the carousel. Baby chasing down the E63 who's left me because he's just going through traffic. Got a nice little 370Z in the way right now. See if I can take him on the inside. Like so. Behind the Maserati, baby. I'm gonna have to just do it. I'm gonna have to just follow them. Because this is muff. Come on, Maserati, let's go. He's so slow. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo. I love this car. This M135 BMW from 2015, you know, is a masterpiece. This little hatchback right here is one of my new favorite cars ever of all time. Once the brakes warm up, once the tires warm up, once you understand what makes this car tick, you find yourself nestled behind 2 JZs. And in fact, you find yourself smoking 2 JZs in this little subcompact. Like so. Come on, I'm just... This thing is insane, so well balanced. Oh no. Yeah, I'm cold guardrail. Oh, I got my bumper hanging off, cuz. I got my bumper hanging right off. That was one of the worst whacks you could have into the Amco guardrail. That bill is gonna be insanity. But anyway, we're gonna finish off this lap behind the 2JZ JDM thing in white. That's kind of like Paul Walker's Supra. That was a nice little slide, long slide, baby. Hold it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Don't hit the rail, don't hit it down, son. Maserati clipped me and I stole the car in the middle of the track.